water-based tinted stain. I got this at one of those local stores for $2.50. This was one that nobody liked. I make a lot of different stuff like here. This is a mahi pallet fish, which you can find on my Etsy page. Air compressor's on. It will turn on, and hopefully you guys will understand what's going on. So what I'm going to do, open up this can. This is my first attempt at spraying anything, so I could be so doing this wrong. So if you have any comments, please hit the link below and tell me what you guys think. I'm just going to pour just a tad bit in there. See how much of that is. Alright, close that up. Put the lid on. Alright, here we go. See what goes. This is the test one. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna save so much stain by using this thing. Usually that would have soaked in, and I wouldn't be able to get it all in there. So what I need to do is make a little handle thing here so I can put this up. But we'll set that right there. But shoot, man, that is awesome. What I'm gonna do is just gonna flip it on its back here, and get the bottom real quick. I am in love with this thing. This thing is so cool. So this is pallet wood, so it's not very good, but man, that just works so well on getting that stuff in there. Alright, I'm not sure how much is in there, so if you could see this. So, spray gun W71, all hooked up. Last little bit of stuff, but even coat. Really, I couldn't be any more happier with this thing. I'm gonna have to figure out how to mix different paints and stuff like that, because I know you can't just pour paint in it and work, but water-based stain, super big success. So, thanks guys. I'm gonna go clean it and then we'll see how that goes. Now that that's off, took that apart. I sprayed just a whole tank of it through and went with that, but cleaned it, checked in there, everything seems to be out of it. What I'm gonna do, same thing here, looks fairly clean. I don't see anything other than I need to do. If there is anything I need to do other than this, please link down there below. So vertical, you want this thing to be horizontal. Horizontal spray, you want the thing to be vertical. It is what it is. Liking it, loving it. So this all came from Harbor Freight, the valve and everything. This right here probably cost me less than $10. I will have a link to my description on how much this thing cost and where you can get it from. My affiliate link will be down below. If you've seen how it worked, for the price, I'd like to find something better. Thank you for watching. This has been another video from him and I.